When it comes to installing new windows in your home, one of the most important factors to consider is the climate. Lafayette, Louisiana, with its hot, humid summers and mild winters, has a weather pattern that significantly influences the best choices for window installation. Whether you're renovating your current home or building a new one, understanding how Lafayette's unique weather conditions impact your window options can ensure that you make a sound investment in energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. Humidity and moisture resistance. Lafayette's humid subtropical climate means that the area experiences high levels of humidity throughout much of the year. This moisture can pose a challenge for traditional window materials that are prone to warping, rotting, or deteriorating over time. For homeowners in Lafayette, it's crucial to choose window materials that are moisture resistant. Vinyl windows are an excellent choice for humid climates because they don't absorb moisture, preventing warping and rot. Vinyl is also easy to maintain, making it a popular option for homeowners who want windows that will last for years without requiring extensive care. Another durable option is fiberglass windows, which are also resistant to moisture and provide superior insulation. Wood windows, while aesthetically pleasing, may require more frequent maintenance in Lafayette due to their susceptibility to moisture damage. If you do choose wood windows, make sure they are treated and sealed to protect against humidity and water damage. Heat and sunlight control. Lafayette's summers can be intense, with temperatures frequently reaching over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This prolonged exposure to heat and sunlight can affect the interior temperature of your home, making it uncomfortable and increasing your energy costs. The right windows can significantly reduce the amount of heat that enters your home, helping to maintain a cooler indoor environment. One way to combat the heat is by opting for windows with low emissivity, low-E glass. Low-E glass is designed to reflect infrared light, which helps keep the sun's heat outside while allowing visible light to pass through. This can make a significant difference in reducing the cooling load on your air conditioning system during the summer months. Double-glazed windows are another excellent option for heat control. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating air or gas layer between them, providing an extra barrier against heat transfer. The added insulation can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, improving energy efficiency year-round. Wind and storm protection. Lafayette is no stranger to intense storms, especially during hurricane season. Strong winds, heavy rain, and flying debris can damage windows, so it's essential to choose window options that can withstand these harsh conditions. Impact-resistant windows are a must-have for homes in the region. These windows are designed to endure high winds and impacts without shattering, offering both safety and peace of mind. Impact-resistant windows are made with a special laminated glass that holds together even when broken, preventing shards from flying into your home. This extra layer of protection is invaluable during severe storms or hurricanes, as it not only helps protect your property but also your family's safety. In addition to impact-resistant windows, consider installing reinforced frames and hurricane shutters for added protection. These additional features can provide extra security during extreme weather events. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While Lafayette's summers are hot, winters can be relatively mild, with temperatures rarely dropping below freezing. However, this doesn't mean you should neglect energy efficiency when choosing your windows. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. Besides low-E glass and double glazing, energy-efficient windows typically come with features like argon gas fills between panes, which offer additional insulation. For areas like Lafayette, where temperatures fluctuate, these features can be especially useful in maintaining an ideal indoor temperature without excessive heating or cooling. Aesthetic considerations in home style. Finally, the weather in Lafayette should be considered alongside the aesthetic goals you have for your home. The right windows can enhance the curb appeal of your home while offering practical benefits like energy efficiency and storm protection. Whether you're aiming for traditional, modern, or coastal looks, there are various window styles that complement different architectural styles. Choosing the right window for your home in Lafayette isn't just about aesthetics. It's about finding a balance between durability, comfort, and energy savings. With the right material, style, and features, you can ensure that your home is prepared to face the demands of Lafayette's weather while keeping you comfortable and safe all year long. In conclusion, understanding the impact of Lafayette's climate on your window installation choices is key to making an informed decision. By choosing the right materials and technologies, you can enjoy windows that provide durability, energy efficiency, and comfort, regardless of what the weather brings.